Asilwane boy. I'm sorry mom, this criminal lifestyle wasn't part of their plan mom. I wanted to be something better too mom, but I ended up in the streets in Chengising Sam. I'm sorry mom, I know you didn't raise me to be a gangster, but this life turned me into one. I'm sorry mom, I didn't choose friends wisely. Abanye uNkulunkulu basusile empilweni yami just to show ukuthi lendlela engihamba wrong. But instead of changing, ngiye ngaba worse, a good boy gone bad. I turned into some notorious nigga, nesinye spirit sobu fearless. I started to be more dangerous, ungafunga brainless. Ngaqala ngokwenza ama-house robbery, situkutuku sengibamba inkunzi after kuma-groove. Ngeza nenye excuse engathi shwi, ngiphika ngokuthi imali yama-piece job incane. Always into trouble, but I badly wanna escape from crime. I badly wanna change, but music is the only way, because I don't wanna do something engangenzi happy. I'm sorry mom, I know you never wanted me to end it up a dead alive nigga with tattoos, but pains and struggle turned me into one. So I'm sorry mom.
Nami ngiyafisa kukuva ulilitela uthi kudala kutelula amathambo. Ngiyathatha ngiyabeka ngiyahlanganisa nami ngisaphanza. Sikhiya sempumelelo nginaso nami ngisavula iminyango. Nakavuma emvela incandi ma ngiyathi kutawuhlangana. Noma kusiyo inhloso yami ukuthi impumelelo yami ithathe isikhathi. Ungakhathateki lendlela iyakhona empumelelweni. Ngiyaxolisa ukuthi asinga lendlela bofisa ngakhona. Impumelelo ukuthi watalwa ufumbethe ini uphethene esandleni. Likhono lami ungalithatheli phasi ma ngalenye ilanga lokususa phasi. Umjuluko wami uweli phasi ma bengisacela ungiphe isikhathi. Ungangicathanisi nabonsanga yethu impumelelo yinye indlela letingafani. Mina sengibonga ukuthi ungifundzisile ukuphilela ma uthi ngihlulekile lengicale khona kusho ukuthi ngengifike la ngifuna khona. Ngaleli khono ngiyokhona kuphila impilo longifisela yona. Bengisacela ungibekedelele ungakhohlwa kungibeke emkhulekweni ma lendlela iyakhona empumelelweni. Tehla tinyembeti SK the Black Poet imbongi mphefumulo.